Hi, hello, I am Mohammed Musa, and today we're going to be talking about how to make a glass, and this is an instructional video for it. This is an introduction for making glass. Making glass is a mesmerizing art that involves transformation from raw materials to a artistic piece of decoration, or it could be used in culinary purposes or in other purposes as well. And also, making glass requires a certain tools and techniques, and it for sure requires some skills that we will be talking about shortly. Making glass is a dangerous process that we should pay attention for some safety instructions when making glass. So first thing, we have to wear protective clothes because some molten glass could spoil on the person who's making glass. As well, some tools are sharp that might harm the maker. Second, the glass maker should keep the place clean and organized. The work area should be clean and organized all the time, because if it's messy, something unwanted may happen. Third, a good ventilation is required in the working area, because molten glass can have some fumes and some emissions that are toxic for the lungs and not good for the health. Fourth, caution handling is required as well, because molten glass is over 1000 degrees Celsius, and that could be dangerous when handled from person to person or when switching tools. As well, we should be careful about when switching when handling the glass from person to person or switching tools. We should be cautious about where we put the glass. We use the middle table or some specific molds for that. And last but not least, first aid kit is required, because anything bad could happen, so it will be handy. Tools required for making glass are mainly five. We need a glass furnace, so you can melt the glass. We need a blowpipe, where you can blow air in the glass if you are making a hollow object. Third, we need a pair of tongues that are really useful to shape the glass. And then we need molds to blow air in glass, where the glass is put in certain molds to create certain shapes. And then for sure we need cutting tools, where you can separate the glass from the blowpipe, and then you can cut certain parts to shape it as wanted. So this is a small instructions how to make a glass jug that we can use for water or juice or something else. We will be watching the video and we will be talking about the steps. First, a person should gather a small amount of molten glass in the end of the blowpipe. As we can see in the video, the person here is making it. He's putting some extra glitter, glass glitter, so it gives it some extra decoration. And then we can see the person is rolling the molten glass into a middle table to shape it and to remove any air bubbles using the handle end of the tongues. And apparently we can see the person is very cautious about it, as we mentioned earlier. And the person here is blowing air into the blowpipe to expand the glass to the wanted shape, and it's a cylindrical shape that every glass object to start with. And then he's using the perf tongue to make an opening or a lip, let's say, in the top of the cylinder, the molten glass cylinder. So you can see this person is shaping it in a jug form. And then last but not least, we make a long stripe of glass on another blowpipe, and then we cut it using the scissors or the cutting tools we talked about. And then the both ends of this stripe is stuck on the jug, and then that's the final product. And thank you.